Nagisa, how many tabs do you have?
What? 100.
That's why your phone is so slow.
No, it's not.
You don't clean that. You don't clean that.
I do.
What's wrong with you?
Do you want to see
You
something?
don't
All this
clean
are
them.
manga.
Oh
Actually,
my
the
Oh
stories
my
that I'm watching.
god.
So Nagisa has an addiction.
Yeah.
No, I have a lot too, but like still, I know how to. How
I know.
to, like,
No. You don't need to say. I know you have an addiction. I know you have an
Yeah,
addiction.
exactly.
Yeah, look at this. This is actually
Hey, the
magnificent.
best one is clearly this one. Okay, the
Nice
best
ass.
one is clearly this. Oh yeah.
Black Sword.
See, they
Find
got
it,
Ultimate
find it,
Ending.
find it.
Find what?
Sun Zoro.
One Piece.
Sanji Zoro. There's Sanji Zoro there.
Zosan.
No, it
Oh,
says
I
Sanji
can
Zoro.
just open. Can open this. And
That
then
one
just
is
go on
boring.
here.
Surprisingly very boring.
Well, you would know, wouldn't you?
I told you I read everything related
Here.
to One Piece.
Here's the everything.
Wow.
So I mean-
Flat.
Wait, there's one thing. Wait. There's this one. It's,
Pink noise
it's-
babies.
What?
Okay, so
Try
we're
to
going.
read one.
So we're
Try
going to read
one.
one, and then we're going to rate it, I guess.
Okay.
I
Why
haven't
is it
uploaded
going to
in
be
1
so-
month, and this is the stuff that I upload. Nice.
Are you guys reading it?
Yes.
Yeah, I am.
We are.
Okay, Zoro actually looks fine, but he looks like a very very basic anime character.
Jesus, he's blushing too much. Oh, that's
This-
cute.
Yeah. Like I told you, most of Santo is like very cool.
Nisa, can you just skip to the end?
Okay.
Is there a button for that?
Then.
Okay. No, I mean.
Why is there so many Kiribaku? Kiribaku here. Okay, the Kiribaku in the
want?
middle one is not. No, that one. Gogo Sata. It's like, oh my god, it's like my worst
Wait,
nightmare.
Why?
This
No.
is the worst
This one?
nightmare.
Why?
It's terrible.
It's terrible.
It got pissed.
You look at this. This is actually gangbang.
The one with Kirishima too.
Oh,
is
that the
not
one.
that
That one's
bad.
good. The Halloween one. That one's good. I like the
Yeah, I read
artist.
that one too.
The artist is quite nice.
Do you want to read this?
Yeah, sure.
No, I already
No,
read
like
that
most
thing
of
multiple
Yeah.
the guys doujin is about like the same character.
I like this one.
That one.
Let us see.
No. That one. The second one. The second one is the best. The
This one.
yeah. It's the best. I do not care. This is the best one by far.
And he got hard. Look
yeah,
at the man
you got
boobs.
exactly.
Look at
Someone
the
like counted Bakugo size, and they said like Bakugo size is 30 double Bs.
Screenshot that part.
this one.
Screenshot that, someone. Or do you want me to? Okay.
I need this
Okay. Okay. No, scroll up. Okay. Review for them. I'm gonna give my points first, then Nagisa, then Levi. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is
There's a
Dojin.
lot of people here.
This is Dojin. The art style was nice. The humor was okay.
Yeah.
The fucking was okay, I guess. So I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10, maybe 7. No, 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10. Nagisa?
I like the character. And it's kind of cute because they got like the scene where Kirishima makes a meme. That's good. I took a screenshot. Okay, that's I give it 8.5 out of 10.
8.5. 8.5. Okay. Levi?
It's really high. In my opinion, the art style was okay. I actually like the art style. The art style is like what, 9 out of 10. Story wise, it's not that good, but at the same time, it's kind of wholesome. So I think like 7 out of 10 also, to be honest.